All right, guys, I want to show y'all my buddy how he got a strategy he used to get these big tires up on the. You know, if you can potentially hurt your back by doing it the regular way, but watch my buddy his strategy. Wow, y'all see how simple that was? Because you can potentially hurt your back, guys, because you got to stay safe, man. It's all about safety doing this stuff.
Lower back.
You can pull a lot of muscles back there, so try that strategy next time. Yeah, try that strategy next time y'all get ready to pick up a big heavy tire. Oh man, they ain't want no brakes. You see this?
Yeah, it comes in. It's got 19,000 on it. That's it. They come in. So.
Ooh, that's like that Challenger I got down there. It's only 20,000 miles on it.
Really?
The brake look caved in.
It's gonna be $2,000.
Oh, this must got a supercharger in it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's got the big engine in it.
Yeah, got these. Oh yeah.
Oh, you can't surface it.
Oh, not these.
Yo, you shouldn't. Yeah, this must have the big engine. I can tell by that caliber. It's got the big engine in it. So that's how he get those tires up, guys. Try it next time, all right? All right, guys, let's go this way. I see a Wrangler. I don't know what year it is, but nice Wrangler. What's going on over here? Can you say ticker? I got a lot of subbers on the channel that own these Wrangler. In fact, my man, I can't forget my buddy's name. He came on the live stream with me. He was doing his, and he said he did find those oil galley plugs loose. Do not, guys, I repeat, do not overlook the oil galley plugs. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, watch this video right here. But look, guys, when you remove the cover and the spark plug tube seal stays on, you basically need a new one. All right. I mean, yes, you can tap that back in place, but you're taking a risk. It's going to leak, and then you're going to end up with oil inside your spark plugs. Okay, so you don't really want to do that. So you might as well go in. Look, there's another one. So it's two, actually. One good thing about this is it's not sludged or anything like that. So it's clean engine. I don't know if you're doing a ticker or what. I don't know what they're doing. I just see stuff apart. See the valve train tore apart. Is these Wranglers kind of hard? Somebody was contemplating doing a oil pump on a Wrangler. Asked me, can you do it at home? I couldn't answer them because I've never done one outside of the shop. I'm spoiled, guys. I need air, I need a lift, I need all that. So chances of me doing one at home, slim to none. Okay, but yeah, you don't see no sludge buildup. So they actually kept the oil clean, or kept it maintained, which does not guarantee that you will not get a ticker. Just because you use super synthetic Mobil 1, that doesn't mean nothing. Guys, notice something about this Wrangler? See how the alternator setting? Y'all see that? How weird that is? I don't know why is that. And I don't want to speak and be wrong, but yes, it's actually hooked up. You can see the serpentine belt on it and everything. Wow, my buddies out there, y'all Wranglers set up like this? Interesting. Okay. Very interesting. Yeah, you got the timing marks up. Remember, guys, bank 1 uses the line. Bank 2 uses the arrow. They have to be pointing toward each other to ensure, because you can't see the crank. So you don't know if you're in time with the crank. The real way we used to do old school is simply bring top dead center up. Bring piston number 1 up. Yeah, all right. Sometimes we stick a long screwdriver down there and rotate the engine and tear the screwdriver peg out to the top. All right. So let's go this way, guys. Hey, y'all see this journey? 4-cylinder journey, guys. Whoa. What kind of trans is that? What, a 40 TE? 41 TE or either 40 TE? I guess you have no choice but to pair a 4-cylinder engine up with a 41 TE. Could be a 40 TE, depending on the package. But yeah, this is a little light. My journey has a 3.6 and a 62 TE. Okay, and yes, guys, they still using the Dodge Journey. That 41 TE was still around. Dodge Journey done, I think. Okay, but I saw a new one. I think they sold the last one from last year. It was equipped with a 4-cylinder and a 41 TE. This is the hybrid car, guys. He did the battery on. Okay, the recall actually, and the electric heater core. Saw the parts. I'm sure you got to turn that stuff back in, but it's some scary stuff, man. Nothing really to be scared about. Just remove the battery and let all the capacitors drain, and you should be fine. So shouldn't be any kind of risk at all. So they obviously have plans on selling this. Now the recall we have to do anyway. He said it paid 3-point-something hours, which means it's hard, guys. Anytime Chrysler gonna give you 3 hours for something, it may be maybe a little difficult, guys. All right, so that's what that's all about. Hey, I love this alignment machine. Oh, my man still ain't started on this engine. This my buddy, guys. He's talking about he have a 07 Charger with a 3.5 in it. You want to convert it. We've been talking about this for 2 months, 3 months now. I don't know when he's gonna get started. I think the fact that it may be a little time consuming is bothering him because he don't really want to go without his car for too long. And I don't blame him. But you got your free engine. This is one we end up replacing for some totally crazy, and the engine was still good, so he decided to keep it. And now he's contemplating converting his 3.5 into a 5.7 Hemi. I mean, you're gonna do it from the ground up. So good luck to him, but it don't look like he's ever gonna start on it. So this is a young cat, guys. Somebody have to put the fire on them, all right? Project stuff, man. You should be excited to do this stuff. I mean, when you drive in your car, you can tell people, yeah, I built that engine. And that's exactly what it will be, the engine that you built, okay? So I don't know what's the hold up, but if you need help, you're surrounded by guys that know this stuff. So I don't know what's the problem, guys. Let's get it done, man. Guys, I'm done with Nosy Hour, all right? I'm about to get out of here, man. I don't know when he's gonna do it, so I gotta go, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.